before shooting. So now I'm going to show you how much of a pain in the ass it is to get this battery in. Let's see here. It's easier with two people, but you know, we'll improvise. I just got smacked in the head, apparently being a dumbass. Put that in there. And as I said before, it's a very, very snug fit. So you're going to have to be really careful. See, the fuse will mess up. It's just a pain to get this gun in, this battery in. I'm just going to leave one side in because I don't want to deal with this right now. We'll fire off a couple rounds from this. So we'll do single fire first. And burst, automatic. Alright, now I'll give you a down the barrel view. Our team's hopefully going to get an FPS machine soon, so we'll be able to measure our FPS to give you guys, you know, proof that they actually shoot what they shoot. Currently my red dot isn't working, as you can see. I have yet to get another watch battery from Walmart, but I'll give you a shot here. Alright, this is single fire again. And automatic. And they're curving down a little bit because I didn't adjust my hop-up back from pulling back this yesterday in the review video. But that's the only reason. So that is the KWA M4. And this is stock, it's not upgraded or anything, so you can imagine what it'd be like. Anyway, those are the firing tests for my two reviews, and we'll get Abrams up soon. Thanks for watching, guys.